Hello beautiful people, welcome to Juliet's Kitchen. Yasmin here. Today I'm featuring a absolutely simple kale and fruit salad. It's so simple to put together that you can have it for a quick lunch, and it's also very hearty. So let me take you through how I put together this amazing and super delicious kale and fruit salad. I love making my own salad vinaigrette. So I have here my 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Freshly squeezed is absolutely the best. Add to that is about a tablespoon, yes, this is a lot. You could put less if you'd like, of freshly chopped oregano. Then I love garlic in mine. This is 1 clove of garlic crushed. Or you could also mince it if you prefer. I like to use freshly ground black peppers. You guys know this is about half a teaspoon. I like my stuff well seasoned, so half a teaspoon. And then I have a half a teaspoon of sea salt. And then I like a bit of sweetness in this recipe, so I'm going to add for now 1 teaspoon actually of granulated sugar. And then I love to put Grey Poupon. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon. And you need the olive oil, so I'm going to go get my olive oil. I need about 6 tablespoons of this. You need a handy dandy whisk. You just whisk. You just really want to whisk it until it's emulsified or look nice and creamy. I'm going to add another half a teaspoon of the sugar. So I've used about 1.5 teaspoons of sugar in the recipe. These are some beautiful baby kale, which is my favorite. I find them to be less bitter. They're absolutely delicious. I'm going to be using chopped tomatoes. These are cherry tomatoes that I've cut in 2. You could leave some whole and some cut in 2 if you prefer, up to you. These are incredibly sweet. Granny Smith apple, I've cut these. I had them sitting, so I added some lemon juice to make sure that they don't get oxidized or brown. These are the mini cucumbers that I love to use. They have barely no seeds. Beautiful. This is I call it a champagne mango. Kiwis. I love kiwi. This is a golden kiwi. I'm adding the avocado. Again, the avocado is similar to the apples where they get oxidized. So you either want to cut them at the very last minute, or if you cut them ahead of time, you do want to put some lime juice or lemon juice. Blue cheese. This is my favorite blue cheese. It's an Amish blue cheese. It tastes absolutely delicious. This is about 4 ounces. Also have roasted walnuts. I roasted these on the stovetop in a little bit of olive oil. But I'm not going to be adding this to the salad only because my son is going to be eating it and he's allergic to nuts. So I'm going to serve this on the side. If you're not allergic or your guests aren't allergic to nuts, you can absolutely add the walnuts. I'm actually not going to add the dressing as yet. I'm going to serve it on the side only because the beauty with doing that is if there's leftover salad, it doesn't get wilted and you don't have to throw it away. So for now, I will just go ahead and mix this. Okay, beautiful people, I hope you enjoyed watching this nice and easy tutorial of how Yasmin makes a super delicious, healthy fruit and kale salad, or kale and fruit salad. Your thumbs up to this video is very much appreciated. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, my left, your right. To get the recipe in writing, go ahead and mouse on over to my food blog at julietkitchen.com. Until next time, happy cooking!